today's video. Today's video is going to be a clean with me my bathroom. I added 3 mirrors that I had on a haul from the 99-cent store. They're hearts, and I thought I should clean the bathroom as well since I'm putting new and brand cute little heart mirrors in there, and might as well bring you with me and let's get to cleaning, shall we? These were the mirrors that I'm talking about. Those, I just put them on there. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up our bathroom and get to the cleaning and taking out this young lady that is here. Hello, young lady. Can you get out of my bathroom, please?
Mommy.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Mommy.
That brand new mat the other day that we bought at Costco for $12. So let's get to cleaning. While the lady gets cleaning with she cleans her hands, let's clean up the rest. That is how I clean my bathroom and how I use Clorox, which I hate, and I splash my pants. Now I have 4 dots here that are pink in my gray pants. Ugh. Anywho, that is how I clean my bathroom and added my mirrors over there. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't done so, subscribe. Click the little like button. Subscribe. Comment down below. Do all the good stuff. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.